Hindi po nais ipakulong si Yusek Claire Castro, ngunit gusto namin siyang panagutin. Unang-una sapagkat may ginawa siyang mali para sa aming opinion, at pangalawa, to vindicate yung good name and reputation of my client na sinira po niya with malice. Kasi kanina po natanong niyo ako, hindi ba may freedom of expression? Yes, but that is not absolute. Ito po ay hindi lamang exercise ng freedom of expression ng isang journalist o isang pangkaraniwang mamamayan. This is a targeted attack against Congressman Leviste for being a critic of the government. Kitang-kita po natin yung pattern. Inumpisahan po ni Ombudsman Boying Remulla, na alam po naman natin na utang niya ang kanyang pagiging ombudsman sa pamimilipit at magbabraso ng Malacanang. Nilabas yung maling issue na binenta daw yung prangkisa at sinundan niya ito bilang spokesman ng presidente. This is a directed and targeted attack to destroy the reputation of a legitimate government critic na nakakasakit na ang kanyang mga expose laban sa Pangulo in the exercise of his duties as an elected public official at membro ng lehislatura, na ang role po, ang primary role ng lehislatura in making laws is to safeguard public funds. Ginagampanan lamang po ni Congressman Leviste ang kanyang role to safeguard public funds sa pagmumurakot. Dahil po dyan siya ay siniraan. Hindi na po exercise siya ng freedom of expression. That is a malicious attack.